Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter, or if you don't celebrate Easter, a wonderful Sunday. Today in the fort, it is rainy and cold and yucky. So I mix up these paints, I want to say Saturday. And even though I use the Artists Loft pouring medium, they didn't come out as shiny as I had hoped. But I also put half Floetrol in there as well. So I'm still trying to figure this out. I did mix up more gold, yay me. So I did not forget that. Been complaining long enough to myself. So, let's try and do something with these new colors and see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. I'm going to do a ring pour onto Mixed Media Girls bottle bottom, the small one. The colors I put in this cup are Amsterdam's Titanium White. What are you? Amsterdam Oxide Black. Not Artists Loft, I'm sorry. Deco Art 24 karat gold. And Folk Art Blue Flash, the color shift. And Folk Art Color Shift Plum Flash, and Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. Alrighty, so let's see how we can. This is an 8x10 because I'm just trying them out. As you can possibly see, they're already creating cells here in the cup. So we'll see what happens. I am not good. I'm seriously, I need to really work on this, guys. How to center things. Alrighty. Here we go. I'm just pouring on there. I'm not really doing any rings of any kind. And I did make sure that things were leveled, so we won't have any surprises. Hopefully it stays that way. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so very much, guys. I appreciate you. And I appreciate all my watchers. And yeah. This is really cool. I feel like I'm letting you down by not doing enough videos here lately. The temperature in the basement is changing from warm to cool, so it takes a little bit of time for things to dry. Now, it's one part I don't like about summer, aside from the heat outside. And I think towards the weekend I may have to turn the air conditioner on, which I'm not too thrilled about, because that's like a panic for me. I turn it on inside, dash outside to see if it's running. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Give it a little moment here. And you know, whether you're a beginner or a professional at doing art pours or any kind of art, there's no wrong way to do things. You do you, okay? Don't let anybody tell you you're doing it wrong. You do it the way you want to do it. So, I just had to put that out there. Alrighties. I mean, armchair critics, please. I don't see anything on your page. So you have no videos. Just saying. Okay. Waiting for this to fill up. And let's get a skewer here. I'm probably going to lose a lot of that gold, aren't I? But you know what? That's art. You got to try things out. Alright. Just remember what I forgot to do. But that's okay. We can do that after I get this done. This is mainly trying out the new colors. Seeing how they play with the others. Alrighty. Sorry, I have no music down here. Well, I just brought my paper and my cell phone and myself. So here we are. Princess was down here a little while ago. I guess she ran upstairs. Ooh, we got a Oogie Boogie in here. Uh-oh, come on. Hopefully I just squeezed it out. Alrighty. Okay. Paper towel. Heaven knows I got enough of those sitting around here. And let's do the torch. I even have a new baking cooling rack down here. It's all covered with paint. Okay. I see a bubble over here, but you know what? He's going to get slid off. Alright, let's tilt. See what happens. Yesterday, my right wrist decided to start hurting. It's like, I don't know what I've done other than mop to irritate it. I wake up today and the left one's also doing that. Alrighty. Oh, I guess Arthur's just saying, hey, lady. Making a visit, seeing how we're doing. Making sure that we're doing okay. We're still around. We're still appreciating him. You know what? I've seen a lot worse. I've done a lot worse. Okay, there's a lot of little penny bubbles in there, so I'm going to hit that again with the torch to see if I can pop those, or if they're just because I erratically shook these things before I poured. Yeah, I hear Princess upstairs. She's being the guard dog. Okay. Alrighties. Now we're going to bring you down for a close-up. Helmets and seat belts, please. You know, I turn you guys the wrong way. I don't know how I do that. I apologize, so. Alright, and there's my chair. Here is a corner. Look at that gold in there and that purple, whatever. Well, that was a different bark. Even though I used the Artists Loft pouring medium, I went ahead and used the 24K gold, titanium white, and oxide black that only had the Floetrol and none of the gloss medium. So it's going to be we'll see what happens. So, okay guys, that's it from me. Oh my goodness. I actually made a short video. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Stay safe, be kind to others. And if you're new, subscribe if you like what you see. Check out my other videos, subscribe, hit that button so you'll be notified. And we will see you guys next time. You guys take care. Bye-bye.